Hello, my name is Nimisha Gupta and I'm making these videos, 5-minute videos of me speaking in English to improve my English speaking skills and my vocabulary while comprehending my notes that I have made over the past year, over 2 years, and remind myself to be proud of myself. So I completed like one page yesterday in yesterday's videos, so I'm starting on second page. It is from 12th March 2025. So first point, life balance is BS, bullshit. You just can't find it because it doesn't exist like Santa Claus. If I am being honest, I think we need life balance to actually like experience everything and work in everything. Matlab, there are ways and there are things we want to work on. There are jobs you want to take on. There are people you want to meet. But there are so many things that you can't be doing everything at once. That's why you need balance. So I can say I agree with this point all and I disagree as well. It all depends on your definition of balance. If we say take the balance for definition of balance for one day, like in one day we have divided to give time to one person, 5 persons and two jobs and one hobbies, then it will be a BS. We will not be able to complete anything. But if we are dividing, we are balancing our life based on our priorities, which it is uh, talking about, then it's balance. It is balance, and then it will work in your favor. So, why am I saying that it is talking about the priority balance? The next 2 points are based on that. Whole life success is greater than life balance. How will you achieve whole life success? If you prioritize a specific thing for a specific time and focus on that. So, if you prioritize this and that and you focus on that, you will achieve success in that. Similarly, you have to do it for something else and you have to maintain the balance for everything. So, priority basis balance is what it's talking about. Third point, prioritize as it needed. Self explanatory. Fourth point, if you are nervous, you are egoistic because you are thinking too much about yourself. If you are nervous, you are an egoistic person. Why? Why? Because you are thinking too much about yourself. Think about audience. Think about their hopes, their dreams. They are the important ones, not you. You are there to solve problems for them. You are there to serve them. This point, I have forgotten this point, and now I am reminded of this point, and it is a super point. Like, if I am nervous, it's not because I'm trying to do something for someone else. I'm nervous because I'm thinking too much about myself. If I stop thinking about myself and if I just think about serving others, all nervousness will be gone and it will be a walk in the park. Because then I will not be trying to make things perfect, but I will be making things so that someone can get help. Congratulations, I completed the fourth video.